During the last 30 days, my digital products got 881 views, 97 sales, and $52.77 in earnings. So in this video, I will show you a quick breakdown, and also I will show you some top reasons why I love selling digital products on Gumroad and why you should try selling digital products too. Let's see some quick numbers like where the traffic coming from. Direct email or instant messaging. I have been using Reddit and Medium and my email list to give away free copies of my digital product, that is a 1-hour Gumroad guide. So you can see 350 views, 49 sales, 14% conversion rate, and the earnings are $23. Second one is Medium, 89 views, 8 sales, 9% conversion rate, $11.59. The third one is Google, 84 views, 2 sales, 2.4% conversion rate, and people downloaded my free products. There are a ton of free products on my Gumroad store. So long.sweet.pub, that is publication on medium.com, 77 views, 4 sales, 5.2% conversion rate, $15.59 in earning. So let's see where the traffic coming from country wise. This is the locations. United States is the number one, 301 views, 37 sales, $17.59 in earnings. I gave away almost 40 plus copies of my latest ebook, so these number could be one of them. India was the second, 55 views, 13 sales, $10. Morocco was third, 12 views, 3 sales. These are free downloads. Nigeria, 12 views, 3 sales, free downloads again free downloads. And here is United Kingdom, 10 views, 3 sales, 1 in earning. So this is how I have generated 97 sales. Most of them are free downloads because I gave away my latest book for free. Let me show you what the book is about. Everything I covered in this book about creating and selling digital products on Gumroad. So that is the 1-hour Gumroad guide. Create and sell your first digital product. Already almost 5-star ratings. People are loving this. I love this guide. It has motivated me to do what I always wanted to do. Next says this is very useful guide full of actionable steps to help you create and sell your first digital product. So actually people are loving this guide. And another says nice, thank you so much. And someone says I actually got something new out of this product. This is practical and useful guide for anyone who want to create and sell digital products on Gumroad super fast. Let me show you 7 reasons why I love creating and selling digital products. Over the past few years, actually the last 8 years or so, I have experimented various passive income methods. Some of them worked, some didn't. Out of these, the method worked for me, creating and selling books on Amazon, creating and uploading videos on YouTube, and selling digital products is the third one that's worked for me, and I actually love it. There are 7 different reasons why I love it. The first one is they are quick to create. You don't need months of effort or huge budget. Sometimes I will come up with an idea, put it together in a couple of days, and it's ready to go. The second reason is no waiting around to launch. Unlike physical products, there is no factory shipping or packaging involved. The moment I finish creating something, I can upload it and start selling the same day. That is the second reason. I don't have to maintain an inventory of my digital product. I don't have boxes in my garage, products collecting dust somewhere. Everything is digital, which means zero storage cost and zero shipping headache. It's insanely affordable to start. Most of the time, the only real investment is my time. I use free or low cost tools to put products together, so the risk is almost nothing. I actually create products myself, so there is no cost involved. You can outsource covers, descriptions, or anything else that may cost you maybe $10 per product, but I create everything myself, and I have included a step-by-step process inside my 1-hour Gumroad guide. The link is in the description below. Next reason is it makes money in the background. I have had days where I wake up, check my email, and see a couple of sales came in while I was asleep. That's a wild feeling, and it's never gets old. Very little maintenance. Once a product is out there, it doesn't require me to babysit it. Sure, I might update it once in a while but it is not like running a service business where you are constantly tied to your clients. It scales effortlessly. Whether 10 people buy or 10,000 people buy, it's the same file being delivered. That's the beauty of it. For me, digital products are the perfect mix of creativity and business. They let me turn ideas into something useful for others without all the hassle of physical products. So these are some of the reasons I love creating and selling digital products, and the platform I choose for these digital products is Gumroad because it is really easy and quick to create and sell a product on Gumroad. Sometimes it takes me just an hour or two to create and upload my product on Gumroad. It really depends on the type of product you are selling. If you are interested in creating and selling your first digital product, you can check out my The 1 Hour Gumroad guide. It has a lot of things. You will discover all my tips, tricks and secrets in just 1 hour. That's why I call it the 1 Hour Gumroad guide. It's not another 200-page guru manual that takes you nowhere. Instead, the guide is short, clear and packed with only the stuff you actually need to launch and sell your first digital product on Gumroad. I have been selling digital products on Gumroad since 2020. So far my products have generated over 5,000 in sales and my products received almost 21,000 product views. I will break down the exact methods and tips that work for me in this guide. Inside you will learn how to come up with a product idea that sells, how to package and prepare your product for launch, how to price, publish and promote your product with confidence, proven strategies to make your first sale and keep growing after. I have included everything I know about creating and selling digital products. So each chapter ends with 3 simple action steps so you will always know what to do next. No fluff, no overwhelm, just clear practical steps that help you launch fast. If you have been putting off selling digital products because it feels complicated, this guide will change that. It may take you more than 1 hour if you are just starting out, but with practice you will be able to create a very simple product like a digital planner, a checklist or similar one very quickly and upload on Gumroad. The good thing about my Gumroad guide is it comes with 2 free bonuses. You are not just getting the 1 hour Gumroad guide, you are also getting 2 extra ebooks. They actually value $5 per book. In total you are getting $10 in bonuses. The bonus one is from ChatGPT to Cash, how to use AI to create first paid product fast. Bonus 2, the 1 hour a day passive income blueprint, a passive income starter guide even if you have only got 1 hour a day. So these are included for free. You don't need tech skills, no expensive tools, no overcomplicated strategies. It is for beginners who want to sell their first digital product online, side hustlers looking for a quick way to earn passive income, content creators who want to package their knowledge into simple products. I may raise the price to $20 after it completes the 100 downloads. Currently it is on 45 plus downloads. You can take action fast and get this for $10. I will also add a 30% discount. Using the link in the description, you will also get 30% off on this Gumroad guide. That is all from me today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.